Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you my favorite do-it-yourself hair mask because I personally have always had a struggle finding that perfect hair mask that will meet all my needs without having to spend an eyeball. So like it's just annoying, having to like do that trial and error and spending that money on the process and not having your hair feel the way you want it to feel. So I came up with this little mask that is like less than even $10. And even in the first time of using it, you do feel a difference in your hair. Now, I approached this mask at first when I bleached my hair like 3 times. And I noticed that my ends were just like brittle. And I would feel my hair through and it was just super rough. It barely even got wet. Um, I would like go like this, and right now, I mean, it's kind of stiff right now because I have mousse in there. But like at least my hair like moves. But before, it would just stay like a branch. And so I was like, damn, do I really have to wait till my hair grows completely out? And so I, went online and I saw this mask and I was like, you know what? I'll try this out. And I added a little bit more stuff in there that I've heard were better for your hair. So my hair literally transformed after the month of using the mask, and I only used it once a week and I left it on for only about an hour and washed it off, and in literally a month I felt a difference in my hair. And it's super good just to repair it for frizz, your scalp. I mean, I'll go more into detail in the video, what each component gives, but yeah. So, without further ado, here is the mask. Okay, guys, so here is what I use in my hair. So this is the coconut oil. I use half a cup of coconut oil, and why I use it. It promotes hair growth, deep conditioner, keeps your hair silky, prevents baldness, removes dandruff, and it keeps my scalp from getting some of those problems like next is the avocado. Now, the avocado, you need a whole one, all right? And now make sure it's ripe. How you know it's ripe? It's super dark, like the shell. And make sure you can squeeze it, Make sure like you can act like this is a stress reliever. That way when you break it, you can actually use it. Why I use avocado? Promotes hair growth. It's a deep conditioner. It reduces scalp inflammation and it rejuvenates the hair. I use extra virgin olive oil. I use about 3 teaspoons. Why I use it? Hydrates my hair and it repairs the brittle, dry, damaged hair. I highly recommend that if you have that very brittle hair at the end, while you're doing the hair mask, take a little bit extra more olive oil and coconut oil and just pass them in your ends and just massage it because it does miracles. And last but not least is my honey, Winnie the Pooh. Kidding. Alright, so honey, I use about 1 teaspoon. Why I use it, it stops hair loss, cuts down on frizz, and gets them hair soft. Because who doesn't want soft hair? Let's get to it. Now I am going to mix in the coconut oil and the other stuff. Okay, let's get this started. Alright. I'm so excited. I haven't done this to myself in a while. Like I haven't pampered myself in a while. So let's get it done. Now, let me know what you guys do for your own hair, because I feel like a lot of people use different things. Like people use mayo, or if not, they use eggs. Like if you see significant difference in using those stuff, let me know, because anything else in my hair, the better, So final result should look like poop. Yay! Literally looks like my cat's vomit, but you know what? It's food for your hair, so let's stop criticizing, all right? All right, so I'm just gonna mix it up a little bit. I do use gloves, and I do highly recommend to please untangle your hair. Oh, making a mess. Application process. My point of preference is the sink, but yeah, it depends on you. I'm just gonna record this just in case you guys want to see it, but nothing special here. Your preference on how you like to apply. Well, that was a freaking workout, but let's smile. So here is how it looks. All right, so I did massage it through all my scalp. I hope you guys can see it. How it looks. So yeah, I did massage it through my whole head. Reason why I use gloves is because I feel like it helps your fingers run through your hair a lot easier, so you can like run the mask through your hair and you don't get that messiness in your nails. So I'm gonna let this soak in for 30 minutes and then rinse it out. Now, tips to rinse it out. I would highly suggest to just let water run through and then start shampooing your progress in. You might have to shampoo twice, but your results will totally be worth it. If your hair is super, super, super damaged, I highly recommend, again, take that extra time to give some extra love and care to your ends, because if you put a little bit extra olive oil and a little extra coconut oil, your ends will be super soft. I believe like after like the month of using this mask, if you use it every single week and you leave it on for like more than an hour, I found that it did miracles to my hair. So yeah, let me soak this in and then I'll be back. All right, so my 30 minutes are up and I feel like this thing is just dripping down my skull of moisture, but it's all right, let's just wash it off. So for those of you that are doing this, please put like a towel or have a napkin, because it's really annoying. Like all you want to do is just scratch your skull because you feel like the drips of the oil coming down, but it's pretty easy to clean up. I'm gonna be right back. All right guys, so I just washed my hair. It took me about 15 minutes to rinse everything off and have my hair normally cleaned. I do not feel like any residue or anything in my hair. It's completely clean and super, super soft. Like I can tell already by just the first day of use that I am using this after a long time. Again, I do highly suggest this mask for people that like bleach their hair, they have split ends or anything, and like don't be shy with the coconut oil and the olive oil. Like if you feel like you need extra moisture at the ends, always add that moisture. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and don't be shy to subscribe, please. All right. Bye.